Okay guys, David here with another video, and what we're doing here is we're unboxing the Ford Performance calibration kit for the Mustang GT 2018 to 2021 models. The part number, as you can see, M9603M8B. That is your part number. Now the best price, you can buy this at a lot of places. The best prices I found is either Levittown Ford or CJ Pony Parts. You know, it'll cost you about $1,300 if you buy it from your dealer. You can usually get it a couple $100 cheaper at one of those other two places. Levittown Ford is a little cheaper, but they charge you quite a bit for shipping. If you catch CJ Pony Parts at the right time, you can get free shipping, which is what I did. I think Levittown had it for $11.30, and CJ Pony Parts had it for $11.63, but they had free shipping. Now it was cheaper than that a few months ago, but the price, like everything else, has gone up. So let's unbox. So what you're going to have, your cushion, right? This is, I guess, part of the conduit here. There is a parts list, so you should check and make sure. There have been issues with parts missing, so you should check and make sure that you've got all your parts if you order this. This is the cold air kit. Not easy to pick this up while I'm videoing. But yeah, cold air kit, cold air intake. Very nice. It does look slightly different than the older one with the, you know, for the 15 through 17 models. I've seen other videos where this stuff is packaged a little differently. I don't think it matters, you know, things change. Here you've got your coupon for downloading the tune, your code. So your dealer is going to need this to sign up and download the code and download the tune to the ProCal. This is the little foam protector there, foam piece. This is the shaft that goes from the cold air kit to the front of the car. This has been missing in some cases. Throttle body adapter. Bolts for the throttle body. And the throttle body itself. And of course, last but not least, the actual ProCal device itself. So that's it, that's your ProCal device, and underneath here it has some connectors and cords, and I guess one of those little suckers if you want to stick it to your windshield. I guess apparently you're supposed to be able to stick this thing to your windshield and just keep it on all the time and monitor some of the, it functions as like a little gauge, I guess. So that's it. That's the unboxing video there. It's really essentially a throttle body, cold air intake and tune. And you just don't want to lose any of your parts, no matter what. So I got to put all this back together and make sure I don't lose anything. Yeah, so I've got an appointment in a couple weeks to have it installed. I'll let you know how that goes and what the results are. All right, stay tuned, guys.